Welcome to the BackJacker demo video. In this video, you will see why BackJacker is not just another fad tool, but an absolute game changer. BackJacker is able to improve site metrics by reducing bounce rate, increasing time on site, and increasing page views per session. BackJacker can also be used to boost affiliate commissions for any product that you promote. Lastly, if you have a product of your own, BackJacker can greatly improve traffic to your special offer page, thus by increasing sales and opt-ins. In this first part of this demo, I'm going to show you how BackJacker improves your site metrics. As you can see over here, I've currently got BackJacker configured so that if somebody hits the back button, it's going to actually visit 3 demo pages. And then if they hit the back button again after the 3rd demo page, it's going to take them back to the home page. This will greatly reduce the bounce rate as well as increase the time on site and page views per session. And if you've got a white hat type site and you don't want to annoy your customers, you can control the cookie over here. So that way you can set it to 100 days. So that way if you do have return visitors, it's not going to annoy them each time they visit your site. Alright, they say seeing is believing and there's no camera tricks here. I'm going to go ahead and open up a new session of Internet Explorer. There's no history at all right now. Drag this down real fast so there's nothing going on right there. And I'm going to go ahead and basically visit our demo page. And I'm going to hit the back button one time. And there's demo page 3. Again, demo page 2. Another time, demo page 1. And lastly, I'm going to hit the back button again and it takes me back to the home page. So as you can see, this greatly improves your site metric scores by increasing the page views per session, increasing the time on site, and basically eliminating the bounce rate if someone hits the back button. And I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of what BackJacker's done for one of our sample sites in regards to site metrics. So this is a sample site prior to using BackJacker, so you can tell right here the date I started was July 14th and I'm running it through July 24th, and we implemented BackJacker I believe on the 25th. So our site metrics don't really look that great. We had a 63% bounce rate. The average time on site was 1 minute and 24 seconds and the pages per session was 1.76. Now on the same site, after implementing BackJacker, so July 25th through July 30th, a dramatic drop in our bounce rate, 14.21%. The average session duration had gone up a little bit, so that does increase our site metrics, and then the pages per session went up a lot as well. So a quick comparison, 1.76 pages per session to 3.66. It's almost 2 pages per session additional. The time on site went from 1 minute and 24 seconds to 2 minutes. And look at this bounce rate, it's crazy. From 63.9% all the way down to 14.21%. That is huge. So that's just one of the features of BackJacker as far as improving your site usability score. That dramatic bounce rate reduction is crazy, and that will definitely help your scores in regards to SEO for your website. Site metrics is definitely something that Google does use when it comes to ranking your site, and utilizing BackJacker for that one purpose can greatly enhance your SEO scores. Earlier I mentioned how BackJacker could increase affiliate commissions. With the Advanced and Ultimate edition of BackJacker, you can send traffic to any website on the internet when a visitor hits the back button, even affiliate links. I know I hate it when I have a great product review site that ranks well and provides good information to someone who is thinking about buying the product, only to not have them click my affiliate link and instead go back to the search results and click another person's review to get more info. I was tired of poor click-through rates and lost commissions, and that's originally how BackJacker came to be. With BackJacker, you basically force your traffic to visit your affiliate link. If they didn't visit it on your site and attempt to leave by hitting the back button, boom, they are sent to the product sales page via your affiliate link. Even if they don't buy at that moment, your affiliate cookie is now in their browser. And should they make the purchase later, that's your commission. Since implementing BackJacker on my affiliate sites, I have exploded my affiliate commissions almost overnight. So in this video demo, I'm just going to show you that I've created this little BackJacker promotional page on this demo blog. And to show you that there's no tricks or anything here, I'll go ahead and close out of it again. And looking at the configuration, you can notice that it did change this time. So we're not actually selecting any links from pages or posts or a pool of links. What I've done here is modified the final lookup link. So it'll go ahead and send 5 of those to the history. And we'll go ahead and open up another Internet Explorer session and visit that same sample demo page for the BackJacker promotion. And basically, if they read this little review, which isn't much of anything for demo purposes, but if they decided they wanted more information and instead of clicking my affiliate link, they hit the back button, bam, what's happening now is it's blinking the refer and it's sending them to the BackJacker homepage via the affiliate link that you would put in on the configuration page. It doesn't really get more simple than that. Poor click-through rates are no longer going to be an issue, and using BackJacker you can easily explode your affiliate commissions just as I've done. The last feature of BackJacker that we've been promoting is the ability to increase your own product sales as well as opt-ins. What many people have done prior to BackJacker is use an Exit Popup script in a last-ditch effort to try and keep traffic on their site and either increase sales by offering a discount or increase their opt-in list by offering additional products or a discount coupon in the mail once they've opted in. Here at BackJacker, we've tried both methods, and currently we're doing something to increase our opt-in list. So when someone visits backjacker.com, and if they decide that what they found on the website isn't something that they want at the moment, they would hit the back button, and they would be taken to our contest opt-in page. So we're currently offering BackJacker Advanced 10-site license in our contest in exchange for them opting into our list. Our customers have done similar promotions on the side, whether it be offering coupons within their opt-in list or offering a discount page once the users hit the back button. The biggest problem with the Exit Popup script is it gives users the option of leaving your site prior to seeing your special offer or squeeze page for your opt-in. With BackJacker, you don't have to worry about giving people the option of leaving because it takes them directly to that page, thus by increasing your sales and opt-ins. In the final part of this video demo, I'm going to be showing off some of the features of BackJacker Ultimate Edition and why you would probably want to go with Ultimate over any of our other versions of BackJacker. So one of our newest features, and that we're still working on, is called our Exit Jacker. Our Exit Jacker is similar to what you would normally see in an Exit Popup, but works in a more unique way. So what I've done here is I've enabled the Exit Jacker. This is the text that someone will see when they implement the Exit Jacker, and this is the URL that will send people to. So we'll take them to backjacker.com, basically our privacy policy page. So I'll save that. And now I'm going to go ahead and go to our demo page. Okay, so now that the demo page is loaded, I'll go ahead and hit the back button. Notice how the exit pop-up doesn't come online when you hit the back button. Most exit pop-up scripts, as soon as you hit the back button, it'll trigger the exit pop-up. Instead, BackJacker functionality is still working, so it took me to demo page 3. Hit it again, demo page 1. It's randomizing the links this time because of the way I configured it. And let's say someone decided they wanted to leave the page just by going to the address bar. Let's go ahead and type in google.com. So that triggers the exit jacker. So this is the message that I configured earlier. Normally if you hit stay on page, it would take you to the page that was configured in the exit jacking thing. Typically any kind of exit pop would do that. But let me show you how unique our exit jacker is. I'm going to hit leave this page. And what normally would happen is it would take you to google.com. With our exit jacker instead, it's taking me to that URL that I specified earlier, basically forcing people to visit whatever URLs you want them to go to. You're tracking them down with an exit pop-up basically, and no matter what they click on, leave or stay, they're still going to go to that URL that you specified. So this also works in a similar way if I were to go ahead and basically click on the X to close the tab. Unfortunately, if you click leave this page, we can't do anything about that. They're going to go ahead and close the tab. But if they do hit stay on page, again, it'll take them back to the BackJacker privacy policy page because that's what we configured. So this is a way more advanced exit pop-up script that will overwrite their submission should they try and leave the page typing into the URL. And should they actually close the page and hit stay on site, it'll work as a typical exit pop-up would. Just a lot more advanced than most of the stuff that's currently on the market. It works flawlessly in Internet Explorer, no matter what URL someone tries to visit in the address bar. If they hit leave the site or stay on page, it'll take them to whatever URL we configure it to go to. Chrome is a little bit different. Because they use some sort of pre-catching or acceleration tools, depending on the URL that someone tries to type into the page, it may or may not let them leave the site and go to that URL if they hit leave the page. If they do hit stay on site, it works flawlessly. But we did want to show off how powerful BackJacker Ultimate is with our exit jacking feature. With BackJacker Ultimate, some of the advanced features that have been put into the plugin have basically turned the sneaky plugin into something that's a lot more stealth. So some of the features that are in the Ultimate Edition is our cookie and folder auto rename. These can be configured either daily, weekly, monthly, or never. And what this does is automatically renames the cookie that BackJacker uses, as well as automatically renames the installation folder that BackJacker is using when it's installed into your WordPress site. What this does is effectively remove any footprints of your use of BackJacker. Additionally, with BackJacker Ultimate and Advanced, you have the option of ignoring bots. So if any bot or crawler hits your site and starts indexing and crawling everything, it won't activate itself should it see anything from a crawler or bot in the user agent field. In addition to BackJacker Ultimate functionality, normally with Advanced and Standard, you have the global configuration settings. With BackJacker Ultimate, you don't actually have to use these global settings. What would happen with Ultimate is you can configure specific settings per page or per post. So right now by default, it'll use the global BackJacker settings on a new page or post. You can disable BackJacker completely from specific pages or posts. So if you've got a privacy policy page or like an About Us page, terms of service page, those are things that you don't really need to backjack anybody on. So you would just go ahead and turn it off. Alternatively, you can set custom features. So your granularity control with BackJacker is pretty crazy with the Ultimate Edition. So let's say you've got a review site where you review multiple products at once. Each page could have custom settings. So if I was basically creating a review site for red widgets, if somebody visited that specific page off of my homepage or through a search engine, if they hit the back button, it would go to my affiliate link for red widgets. Whereas with the Advanced or Standard Edition, if you had a review site where you had red widgets, blue widgets, and green widgets, your global configuration wouldn't be as easily set up. So if you put in links for all three of those and they visited the red widget page, it's possible that they would hit the back button and be taken to the blue widget page. That's no longer the case with BackJacker Ultimate because each page can have its own configuration settings. I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick demo with our affiliate pages. So I'm going to go ahead and load up the backjacker.com/affiliates, and this is our first affiliate page. And if you scroll through, you can see basically our funnel, our swipe files and everything. And at the very bottom, it says we dare you to hit the back button. So if we hit the back button, this page has been configured with granular settings. So instead of it taking us to like the contest page like you've seen earlier, if you visit backjacker.com, it's going to take us to our second chance for the affiliates. Okay, so basically we do it one last time. Hit the back button again. This page has granular configuration that takes them to the last chance page. And if they hit it one more time, it will take them back to backjacker.com. So each page is configured uniquely on an individual basis, and that's something you can only do with the Ultimate Edition of BackJacker. So if you've got a review site with multiple products, BackJacker Ultimate Edition is the one you want to get. Not only can you install it on as many sites as you own and operate, its functionality for stealthness and its ability to allow you to have complete control over where you send your traffic is nothing short of amazing. And as we continue to develop our exit jacking script, BackJacker Ultimate is the most elite affiliate tool you can imagine on the market. It's not called BackJacker Ultimate for nothing. It truly is the ultimate tool for any affiliate marketer going forward. When it comes to the stealth technology, BackJacker leaves no footprints when it comes to hiding itself from any search engines or crawlers, using its ignore functionality, the ability to rename its cookie and installation folder. In addition, why would you want to limit yourself to site installations? With BackJacker Ultimate, you can install it on as many sites as you own. In addition, BackJacker Ultimate has the granularity functionality. You have complete control over which sites people will be taken to when they hit the back button, depending on which page or post they visit. BackJacker Ultimate is currently being sold for a one-time flat fee for our lifetime license. As the product is continually developed and new features are perfected, this pricing model is going to change. We will be changing to a subscription-based method with either a monthly or annual fee. Anybody who purchases the lifetime license before we switch to this method will continue to have their lifetime license. We urge you to jump on BackJacker Ultimate before the pricing model does change. Pick up your copy of BackJacker Ultimate, Advanced, or Standard today.